Campaign planning meetings and brainstorms start with great intentions, but often don't live up to their potential. Here's why. First, ideation can get derailed by these creativity killers. The no colleague, irrelevant side conversations, and ideation gone off track. Tunnel vision to one idea too early on. Groupthink. And the exclusion of critical stakeholders who are privy to valuable customer insights. And that's just the start. After the session, the team is left with the overwhelming tasks of sorting through mountains of sticky notes, creating an action plan, and setting up the key performance indicators of the campaign. This often leads to a parade of post-meeting meetings that require more meetings. Even with big brains and great intentions, without a workable structure, the campaign was at risk before it even began. That's where we come in. We empower your highly qualified team with a structure that sets your campaign up for success and eliminates the overwhelm that can follow a creative session. With over 30 years combined life science marketing experience, we function as a workshop leader, providing structure while creating a fun and collaborative environment that generates great ideas and builds excitement. And post-workshop, we provide services and take the ideas from sticky notes into actions. Life Science Product Marketing on Demand Campaign Workshops. Your team, your brains, your brand, inspired into action.